Hi, hi. Now I tell you about what I made today. If we click on anything else, like I click on Kashif, then all the posts that do Kashif display on the screen. It's a public post. Everyone can see that. If I click on second page, then show on the second page. If I click on next page, and the next page display on the screen. Okay, but a problem is no one can edit this. For example, I click on this post that is created on March 27. If I click on that post, then display all the data about that post, but no one edit, delete, or update anything else from this. So I try to log in first, then again see edit option show me. If I type my name Kashif, okay, then if I type wrong password, then show me this message. I forgot my password, then click on that password, then type my email ID, then click request reset password. Okay, then the password message to an email has been sent with instruction to reset your password. So I try to open my email ID. Like my email ID is this. It's a personal, I just share with you, okay, not share with all. So I show you what I see from my password. Yeah, this message show me right now. I think this. Okay, I try to again check and figure out what. Okay, just wait a minute. Yes, this message show me. He say me you are receiving this email because your request password reset from this host. Please go to the following page and choose a new password. If I click on that password, then new password change configuration show me. If I try to change my new password, I type anything else like and type 123. Okay, then password reset click. Okay, password request your reset password successfully done. I type again Kashif, then password that I write. Okay, code is okay, then click on this. Okay, then show me the data. If I click on the Akil data, then I think I type in Akil data, then not a permission to me to write or delete or edit anything from that. So I can't do anything else from it. So I try to figure out my name is Kashif, it's my post, it's a valid permission to me edit or do anything from that. If this is my thing, I try to update this, my programming history, update it, then try to post. Okay, then the data is post. If I click again logout, it's also profile page when show when the user login. If I registered a new user, name is for example I write Asad. Okay, and email is asad@gmail.com. okay, so 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, then sign up. Okay, it said a mistake, sorry to say, my keyboard issue. I try to again change that. If app@gmail.com, then sign up. The name is I write Asad. Okay, Asad is created. If I log in with Asad, type the name is Asad, Asad. Okay, I think this Gmail is not a valid. I try to type again. For example, type Asad, just Asad. Then type email mrkashif. Okay, 029. It's my second email. It's a real testing 321. Testing 321. Okay, then click sign up. Then sign up. Okay, when I log in, then I type Asad, then testing 321 I think I write. Okay, then show me profile of Asad. this is, it's a default image. If Asad not update anything else, then the display the default file. If Asad try to change their profile, then I choose to file and update their profile, then display everything else that Asad want. If Asad create a post, just I think write just testing, test test figure out, then I type a post, then the data show only the Asad. If any other user try to change it, then not display this button, because I create a logic. If the user is valid, then the display data according to their requirement, otherwise don't display. Okay, if I log out again and log in here again, I type Asad. Okay, but I can't know the real password of Asad, or that display my message. Okay, I type my email ID like so. This is my email ID, and I type 0 there. Okay, then it show me a message from my admin ID. My admin ID is Nakvisha582. Okay, from my new email message sent to my new email ID with the reference to the Nakvisha, my admin ID. So I try to type my new ID like this. You see that this Nakvisha send a configuration message, okay, you receiving this account, and the information from Nakvisha send to another email ID. Okay, then I same message show me like I change password code like testing 321 and submit. Okay, I again type Asad, then type testing 321. Then Asad created how many posts Asad created. If click on Asad, then Asad created just a one post, so show Asad one post only. Created date 19 July, yeah, I mean today. Okay, then I just create this logic. I think you see that. So tell me you like or not. I think I learn more about how to add a captcha in it, or I think I read more about how to send the existing passport to Gmail ID. I learned more about. Thank you so much. Khuda Hafiz.